Area of triangle, the general formula to find out area of any triangle, area of isosceles triangle, how to get their formula, that I will explain. Same thing for equilateral triangle, area of right angle triangle, and Heron's formula. And fifth number is difference between a square meter and meter square. Today Pulkit has asked this question, what is difference between both? So I would like to explain it clear in this time. My first topic is area of triangle. I think it will be better first to explain perimeter. Perimeter is the length of boundary of any shaped figure in two-dimensional, any shaped figure. Suppose there is a quadrilateral. Suppose it is a quadrilateral. A, B, C, D. The length of boundary. It means perimeter is equal AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. It is perimeter. Suppose an hexagon, then A, B, C, D, E, F. Perimeter of this hexagon is equal, perimeter is equal A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F. It means perimeter is length of boundary of a given shape. And we can say another way, the sum of all length of a given geometrical shape is called perimeter. Now second topic is area, which is important thing for your exercise. Area of triangle. First number, area of triangle. Suppose a triangle ABC, any shaped triangle is given, ABC, and height means the perpendicular drawn from the vertex to base. The perpendicular drawn from base, perpendicular drawn from vertex to base is height. In another way, you can take like this triangle also, A, B, C. The height is drawn perpendicular from the vertex to the base. It is then same height both are same height. H, they are also H. In this way, area of triangle ABC is equal half into base into height. Half into base into height. For this ABC, and same thing like this triangle, if given obtuse triangle, then also area of triangle ABC is equal half into base into height. Half base is BC, and height is H. That is formula. Area of triangle is half into base into height. And second thing, area of isosceles triangle. Area of this formula is given for any type of triangle if base and height is given. If base and heights are given. Second thing is area of isosceles triangle. How to get formula? Isosceles triangle means a triangle ABC, a triangle which two sides are equal. Suppose AB is equal AC. Both sides are equal. Is it isosceles triangle? Both sides are equal. Then both are equal. Suppose their side is A and base is B. Base is B. That means BC is equal B. Now perpendicular drawn from the vertex to get the height, that is like this, perpendicular. And we know that from the property of isosceles triangle, the perpendicular drawn from the vertex bisects base. It means this perpendicular AD divides base in two equal parts. BD is equal DC. BD is equal DC if AD perpendicular to BC. So suppose this side is A, this also A, and if we have taken BC is equal B, it means this length is B by 2 and this one also B by 2. It is B by 2. Now in triangle ABD by Pythagoras theorem, in triangle, it is right angle triangle, in triangle ABD, where angle ADB is equal 90 degree. It is 90 degree. In ABD, height is equal by Pythagoras theorem, AD is equal root under hypotenuse square minus base square, AB square minus BD square is equal root under A square minus B by 2 whole square. B by 2 whole square is equal root under A square minus B square by 4. It means whole square 4A square minus B square by 4. That equal to root under 4A square minus B square under root. Then the square root of 4 is 2. We can write AD by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. The perpendicular is equal root under 4A square minus B square by 2. Hope all students understood. Concept is clear. Next, by general formula, if AD is known, it is AD, height is known, that means HEI, height is equal root under 4A square minus B square by 2. Now area of triangle, if your height known, then area of triangle is equal, triangle ABC is equal half into base into height. So base is equal B, BC is equal B, a small b, and height is equal root under 4A square minus B square by 2 implies your final formula is 1 by 4 into B into 4A square minus B square. So area of any isosceles triangle is equal half into B into root under 4A square minus B square, where A is the equal sides and B is base of that isosceles triangle. So all of you remember the area of isosceles triangle is equal this formula. Next, for equilateral triangle. For equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle is the triangle in which all sides are equal. All sides are equal. Suppose ABC is equilateral triangle. If all sides are equal, it means suppose AB is equal BC is equal AC. Suppose A, it is A. Then all sides are A. This is also A. Again, by the property of equilateral triangle, the perpendicular drawn from the vertex bisects base in equilateral and isosceles both. So draw the perpendicular from vertex A. It is perpendicular. It means this side is equal A by 2 and this also A by 2. It is A by 2. In this way, easily we can find out by Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle AB, suppose this point is D, in right angled triangle ABD, AD square is equal hypotenuse square minus base square. It means AB square minus BD square. That means AD square is equal AB square, means A square minus A by 2 whole square. It is A square minus A square by 4. That means 4A square minus A square, 4A square minus A square by 4. It means 3A square by 4. And show AD is equal root under 3A square by 4. That means root 3A by 2 is height. Root 3A by 2 is height. Next, if height is known, AD is equal root 3 by 2A. So, if height is known, then by the general formula half into base into height, area of triangle ABC is equal half into base BC into BC into height AD. Height AD, that equal to half into BC is A. It means A into root 3 by 2A. That equal to 1 by 4 root 3 A square. It can write area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle is equal root 3 by 4 into A square. So wherever need, you can use equilateral formula and isosceles formula. Next, area of right angle, it is easy. Area of same formula we will use for area of right angle triangle. In this triangle, base is ABC, base is BC and height is AB. So half into base into height, that means BC into AB. Nothing to find out, they are already given perpendicular and base. So easily we can find out half into base into height. And fifth number is Heron's formula. Heron was a great mathematician who has given a formula of a triangle if all sides are given. Suppose by chance in a triangle they are not given any angle and all sides only given. Any type of triangle, obtuse, acute, any type of triangle A, B, C. Suppose their sides are given A, B, C. Generally, front of A is taken A, and C it is C, and front of B it is B. Suppose all sides are like this. Then perimeter of this triangle is equal A plus B plus C. Length of sides of the given shape, that means A plus B plus C, sum of all sides of triangle is perimeter. So A plus B plus C is, and perimeter means and perimeter is equal A plus, and semi perimeter, that means 2S. Semi perimeter, half of the perimeter of triangle, it is 2S. Semi perimeter is equal A plus B plus C. It means S is equal A plus B plus C by 2. Semi perimeter is equal A plus B plus C by 2. That means half perimeter of given triangle is semi perimeter. S is equal A plus B plus C by 2. Now this formula, if where A, B, C all are given, now we can use the area of triangle ABC by Heron's formula in a square root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. In this way, after calculation of S semi-perimeter, by putting their value with A, B, C, we can find out area of triangle ABC by Heron's formula. If all sides are given, they are not defined, isosceles, equilateral, right triangle, what is this? That not need. Any type of triangle, if their sides are given, easily we can find out Heron's formula, by Heron's formula. And last, my topic is difference between a square meter and meter square. Today Pulkit asked this question, and actually it was not easy to write in WhatsApp. That's why I thought to explain in this time. A square meter and meter square any square, my answer is coming 12 square meter. 12 square meter. First thing, if we tell 12 square meter, and second we can say 12 meter square. 12 square meter means a area. It is correct. We can tell here 12 square meter. After writing like this, then also we will tell 12 square meter. That means there is 12 square meter is definition. Definition we can't say. It is exact the value of a area. It denotes the area 12 meter square. But 12 meter square, it means a square whose all sides are 12, 12, 12. And it is an area. This one is an area. Whole area 12 square meter. And it is 12 meter square means a square whose all sides are 12, 12, 12. And lastly, we have to find out their area, we have to multiply 12 into 12 and again a square meter. Like this we will write 12 into 12, and final answer for this, it will be 144 square meter. We will write like this. We can write like this. But read 12 square meter is your answer. Don't tell, never try to tell 12 meter square. 12 meter square, it means a square whose all sides are 12, 12, 12 given, and finally we have to find out their area, that is 12 into 12 square meter. Okay, we will write like this, that is nothing problem. 12 suppose square centimeter, a square kilometer, but always read a square meter, a square centimeter like this. That is your final answer for any area. For any area, it denotes the area, whole area, but it is not complete area. It is incomplete. That means it denotes a square whose all sides are 12, 12, 12. And finally we have to find their area by multiplying side into side, 12 into 12 square meter, and then 144 square meter. Never tell meter square. That is wrong. Meter square is only explaining about the side of your given square. Understood? Pulkit? It is clear, na? Okay. Tanishk, your topic was to make understand kite. What topic is, I think one question was given in your book. So, I think to explain kite also. Kite क्या है, किस तरह के कंस्ट्रक्शन होते हैं जनरली. ये एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल है जिसमें having two pairs of adjacent sides. Having two pairs of adjacent sides. That means these two sides are equal. And down also both sides are equal. And as it is quadrilateral, so obviously having two diagonals also. Two diagonals, and both diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Both diagonals are perpendicular to each other. These two sides are equal. This side both are equal and both are perpendicular to each other. And this quadrilateral is symmetrical about one diagonal. Is not symmetrical by both diagonal, but one diagonal only. With respect to this diagonal, it is symmetrical. That means ये जो diagonal है इसको दो बराबर भागों में बांटता है. It means A, B, C, C, D. This triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. Both triangles are congruent. It's not like this. These two are not congruent. It is symmetrical only through one diagonal. One diagonal only. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle ADC. Both triangles are equal. Both are congruent. And obviously their area will be same. And another thing, sometime in kite, they are given one equilateral triangle down. Otherwise, isosceles also a small triangle. But main things are this one. They are diagonals and adjacent sides. Two pairs of adjacent sides. Both are equal. These two are equal. And both diagonals perpendicular to each other. And in higher section it is given the area of kite is half into product of the diagonal. Half into product of the diagonal. That is, suppose it is D1 and this one is D2. Then area of kite is equal half into D1 into D2. That is not in your syllabus. Just to understand, I told you. Okay.